You press the power button on your TCL TV, and everything sounds normal, except the screen stays black. The audio is there, but the picture is completely missing. It might seem like a major issue, but in reality, this is a common problem with simple fixes in many cases. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step solutions, starting with the easiest ones you can try right away. Let's begin with a power cycle, because this clears temporary internal glitches that can affect the display. Unplug the TV directly from the wall, then press and hold the physical power button on the TV itself, not the remote, for about 15 to 60 seconds. This helps drain any leftover power inside the system. After that, leave the TV unplugged for around 30 minutes. Once the time is up, plug it back in and turn it on to check if the picture returns. If that didn't fix it, the next step is to check the power source. If the TV is plugged into a surge protector, power strip, or smart plug, remove it and connect the TV directly to a wall outlet. You can also try a different wall socket. This helps make sure the TV is getting stable and consistent power. Next, let's rule out external devices. Unplug all HDMI cables, USB devices, and anything else connected, leaving only the power cable. Turn the TV on and check the display. If the picture comes back, reconnect your devices one by one until you find which one is causing the issue. After that, quickly check the HDMI connections. Disconnect the cables, clean the ports using compressed air or a soft brush, then reconnect everything firmly. Try a different HDMI port, and if possible, test with another cable to rule out a faulty connection. If the screen is still black, try resetting the TV. If you can access the menu, go into Settings and perform a factory reset. Keep in mind this will erase apps and saved settings. If you can't see anything, look for a small reset button or pinhole on the back of the TV. With the TV powered on, press and hold it for about 20 to 30 seconds and allow the reset to complete. Now perform the flashlight test, which is one of the most important checks. Turn the TV on so you can hear sound. Then shine a flashlight or your phone light very close to the screen at an angle. Look carefully for faint images or movement. If you see a dim picture, it means the display is working but the backlight has failed, which is a hardware issue. If the screen comes on briefly and then goes black again, check the picture settings. Increase brightness and backlight levels and switch between picture modes like standard, movie, or dynamic. Also turn off any energy saving or eco modes, since these can dim the display too much. If none of these steps work and the flashlight test confirms a backlight issue, the problem is likely hardware related and may require professional repair. That's it for this video on fixing a TCL TV with sound but no picture. By following these steps, you've checked the most common causes of this issue and know what to do next. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tech fixes like this. And if one of these steps worked for you, or you still have questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.